I'm in a new city now, and this video is from back when I was still living in the countryside. And I keep thinking about how different everything feels over there. The roads, the lighting, the pace of the town. So I want to bring you back into that world for just a few minutes. This is the closest town to where I live. There's no skyline, film sets, or must-see pins on a map. It's just rivers, fields, and the same roads I drive every day. Most people would see this place and think that there's nothing here. Today I want to see how true that really is. Can I make this town look like a movie just using my camera and the places that I already know? I don't speak much Chinese yet, so when I'm out here, I'm mostly quiet, just watching. I'm not looking for tourist spots or landmarks. I'm looking for three main things: light, depth, and those little moments that feel like a story, even when it feels like nothing's really happening. The city Riverside, this is where I come to clear my head. In the morning, it's soft light, slow movements. It's pretty. But at night, it turns into something else. Same place with a completely different feeling. But I find the real test is out in the countryside where there's even less to work with. The rural Riverside is about 10 minutes outside of town. No people or noise, just water and whatever the light decides it wants to do. And today's a bit cloudy, so there's a lot of soft light moments. Anyway, I slow down out here. Stop thinking about what I'm supposed to shoot and just let my eye land on what feels right. The farmland is the same. You think it's just dirt and plants. When the light softens, you find the right angle, you start to feel something. And I think that's what I'm chasing, not what people might call beautiful shots or scenes or places, just ordinary places that feel like they're waiting for a story. In our garden, where me and my girl spend a lot of time, we tend to craft a lot of story ideas while working with the plants. And this simplicity in God's creation has texture. You can see it in the small, unglamorous version of building something. I used to make content that had to be big when stages, studios, sets, but now I'm trying to find most cinematic moments in quiet stuff. And that's if I can find the story. And then there's this spot. I ride up here some evenings just to watch the light change, reminding myself that here, in a place I'd never planned to live, there's something worth capturing. The next is where the doing too much starts to make sense. My cinematographer brain picks the shots, my editor brain picks the sequence, and the producer brain scores it. I'm not trying to overcomplicate anything, I'm just asking what did this place feel like when I was standing in it. And then I push the color and the music until it matches. The music is my composition. It fits for this sequence. That used to feel like a problem having too many roles, but now it's the thing that ties everything together. I feel like I lost my eye and editing edge from not creating professionally for a long time, so I guess this episode is also me seeing what's still there. I feel like it used to be a problem, having too many roles, but now I feel it's the thing that ties everything together. I feel kind of like I've lost my eye and my editing edge from not creating professionally for such a long time. So in this video it's kind of also me seeing what's still there. Here in the same town, on the same roads, the same rivers and fields that I would see every day. It's just a different way of looking at it. I can't really change where I'm at, but I can change how I see it and how I show it to you. If you're living somewhere that feels like it's too small for everything inside your head, I hope you'll stick around. And tell me, do you feel like where you live inspires you right now, or does it drain you? Tell me why, and maybe if you like, we can come up with some new ways to inspire shots for future videos.